A lot of my work involves parents that experience mental health issues and that are undergoing a lot of stress. So part of my role is to work and think with people to build on their strengths and to build on their coping strategies so they become more resilient about life, and hopefully that will positively impact their parenting and the ability to parent. I also do a lot of work with regards to communicating within the family and how to manage conflict in a different way. And again, that will really have a positive effect on families. I think it's really important as well that we recognise that every family is different and we have the ability to really focus and tailor interventions towards that family's needs.
Ymunwch â thîm Conwy. conwy.gov.uk/swyddi